it's me, Stomp The Bean, and welcome back to some more Age of Engineering. Yes, we are back here on the server, and this is the Patreon server, and I know nobody's online because there's an actual issue with multiplayer with Minecraft at the moment, so nobody can actually get on any of the multiplayer servers that we got going. So yeah, I'm all on my own. Luckily I managed to get in. I don't know how, but I did. But if you are still enjoying this series, then please do hit that like button down below. Also, if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe for daily Minecraft videos. Please do tell all your friends about the channel and do all that great stuff, because it really does help out massively. Yeah, I can never stress that enough. There we go. Right, okay. So, Age of Engineering. Last episode, we were making steel. That's right, we were making steel, and it's gonna get noisy. But look, we now have 17 steel. Let's just put those in there. There we go. Let's get away from that thing. Oh, I really don't like the fact that it makes a ton of noise. So yeah, so we've got 17 steel, which means now we can actually make some flint and steel. I just need some flint. There we go. And I'm pretty sure if I put that with that, I now have made it to a new age. No? Please? Guide. Have I made it to a new age? Industrial age. There we go. After that, you first dealing never required to. So I need to make a calculator. Is what's going to get me out of this age. I really thought I was going to get away from it. Right. So it's not required to progress to the next stage. After you've got your first steel ingot, you should be able to go to the Nether. It's not required to progress to the next stage, but going to the Nether enables you to craft blast bricks for the blast furnace. From Immersive Engineering. Blast furnace is built similar to the coke oven, so you need make steel faster, that's what we want, and keep the thing while you're in the Nether, as you need a lot of slag to craft those bricks. Okay, so what do I need for the next stage? Generate your first RF power. You have three options. The hand crank generator from calculator. Right. Okay, well, let's do what it's asking of us. It wants us to go to the Nether. So, I guess we're going to need... do we have any osmium at all? We do. We have a lot of osmium. I'm wondering... let me take this iron out of here. Can I... No, I can't, can I? I've got to crush that down first, I guess. Or do I... Can I crush that down? It's alright, I'm just having, like, just this instant thought. Can I crush... Oh, I hate that noise. It looks like you can. Right, let's get away from that. Right, so I'm thinking osmium has armor, I think. Osmium armor, there we go. Osmium helmet is made from osmium ingots. Yeah, I could make, and then we've got the osmium pickaxe, which can be made as well, and the osmium sword, which I think does something like 10, no 8, so it's the same as diamond, I believe. So I could use that because I need to go to the Nether, and I think that's going to be the best bet. Right, so if we've got to go to the Nether, let's take out that block of bronze. I feel like we're going to have to use up the lava that we've got here, unless I can get just a couple of pieces of osmium, make an osmium pickaxe, and then go and get myself some obsidian. That's probably the best. Can you make an osmium for me? Yeah, there we go. That's cool. Right, you're getting stuck in there, aren't you? I need to sort that out. I'll sort that out some other time. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Right, so let's make the osmium gear. Let's do that. There we go. That's gonna smelt up, right? Yes, that is gonna smelt up. Okay, cool. The other thing I've got to do is I've got all this: wind turbine, MV transformer, kinetic generator, and a kinetic gearbox rotor. I've got this idea from Now You See Me about making a windmill for power. And I think there was something called scaffold from IC2. That's immersive engineering, industrial craft, scaffolding. Yeah, this stuff. We can make it out of wood. Yeah. Okay. Let's how much wood have we got? We don't have a massive amount of wood, but I think it's doable. So let's just turn all that into that. Let's turn a few of you into sticks, like so. There we go. So it's all right. It's all good. Right. Okay. So let's make some of these. That'll do. 64. Right. Okay. So let's see whether we can get this hooked up then, because I think it'll be a good idea. I do need to change those into those though, so let's do that. Thank you very much. That gives me 34 copper cables, and again, we're not going to be able to hear too well. I'm going to try and sort of stay a little bit away from them and build this here. I want to go to about 140 something, I think it was, that I was told. I'm not sure. Let's just check. There's 130. We're getting close. Let's go 140 exactly. 144, that'll do. Right, I've gone well over, but that'll do. Right, okay. So, then we're going to want to place some of these. Now, I wonder if you can climb up this scaffold. I'm really hoping you can. Because if you can't, this is going to be silly. Right, let's do this, and let's do that. Okay, right, so we place that. Look at the world out there. Right, so we're going to want the wind turbine to be placed down. But I've got the feeling I need to place it down. And I haven't got my wrench on me, have I? No, I haven't. So this is not going to be good. Wind turbine, kinetic generator, MV transformer. Right, so the wind turbine is going to go like this. Yeah, there we go. And inside that, we are going to put this. Error, no space for rotor error. Yeah. It's all good. Don't worry, because I'm gonna break that block for you, buddy. There you go. Now you shouldn't. Yeah. Okay. Right. That is doing its thing. So the next thing we need is the kinetic generator, which I feel like that has to go. That's not going to work, is it? It's not going to work. Okay, let's just place that for now. And I'm hoping, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh, you can climb it. Good, you can climb it. Good. Right, I need to go and get my wrench. Wherever that may be, I can't remember what I've done with it. Let's go and grab that guy. Oh, and I got given these. Woohoo! Slime sling, boots, and all that stuff. By Now You See Me, and they said Abe Lincoln was here, and his beard was awesome. And in here, I got some aluminium, some copper, some congealed magma slime blocks. And I also got given, where are you now? Where did I put you? There, 18 steel ingots, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, where's that wrench? There it is. Let's grab that guy. That's high. Let's go and sort this out, and then we need to crack on, I think, and get this sorted. So what I might do is just hook all this up quickly, and yeah, I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I have that sorted now. I've built the windmill. I'm going to try not to go too close, just because of the sheer noise. But as you can see, the copper cable runs all the way down from the side, and I'll climb up there just quickly. Please don't make lots of noise while I'm talking, please. Let me just climb up there quickly. And I realised, because I fell off, that I was okay, because I got my slime boots on, and I can bounce miles and miles and miles and not take full damage. So I'll just climb up here quickly and just show you what it is that I've done. It's pretty simple to set up, but you have to get the machines lined up, I believe, or I got them lined up to the best of my ability. Thank you for the wrench is all I can say. So we've got this guy here, the wind turbine with the kinetic gearbox rotor, and we're making 262 KU. I don't know what that is. Then in here we can see that the EU per tick is 65, and then that is getting transferred somehow. I don't know. Yeah, whatever. And then that goes into this cable, and then the cable goes all the way down here. Woohoo! Into the bat box, which I need to make a DSCU no DES no at Industrial Craft. It's one of these guys, a CESU, which is just a load of bronze apparently, but I don't have the sulfur, so I can't make that just yet. But that's obviously going to store more energy because it's a tier 2 thingy mabobber. I'm pretty sure it is anyway. Right, anyway, let's crack on. Let's do what we're going to do. Right, so osmium. There we go. We've got 10 osmium now, and I've probably got some more, but I want to make an osmium pick because I can. Let me just move that out of the way because I'm going to have to leave you guys again because I'm going to need to go mining for some obsidian. I'm going to need, and I'm going to need. Yeah, that it can be crafted. Sweet. I might as well go full osmium gear here and do that. We'll have the osmium sword because we're going to need that today. And do we want the shovel? I mean, we might as well. Might as well. There we go. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself some osmium armor. I'm going to go do a bit of mining. I'm going to go and see if I can find some obsidian. I need about, I want to say 12, but it's 14, I think. I'm going to get 14 obsidian, and we're going to build a nether portal and go and visit that place and see what we can do. So give me a few minutes and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so after a very long time, I'm back to the surface. I got what I needed, which was some obsidian. But I may have made a mistake with the osmium stuff. It's not as good. And I'll tell you why. Well, I think the armor is as good as diamond. No, it's as good as iron, I believe. Which is fine because I can only make iron armor anyway, so I might as well use osmium. I haven't got a lot of uses for it at the moment. I did get the 21 obsidian. Well, say 21 obsidian. I got more than enough obsidian for what I needed. But I did have to use a Certus Quartz pickaxe because I left my one here, so I had to come all the way back to get some sticks to make a pickaxe. Yeah, it wasn't good, but I did manage to get the obsidian. And that was no problem at all. I did go through one extra pickaxe, but that's fine. Yeah, Certus Quartz. This I don't understand. So this sword for osmium is 1.6 attack speed, 8 attack damage, 500 durability. If I was to make the Certus Quartz sword, it's 250 durability, 1.6 attack speed, which is exactly the same, and only 6 attack damage. So the Certus Quartz pickaxe is the best because it's mining level diamond and above, I believe. But actually, you're better off making the osmium sword. And I assume, yeah, look, the osmium axe is 9 attack damage. So, I don't know. I think these are probably the best things to have. But anyway, right, let's put some of my stuff away. I don't need all of these torches. I don't need the sticks or the Certus Quartz. I'm definitely going to need the food, and the water I don't need because in the nether, water turns into nothing. We can get rid of that wrench. We just need to find our flint and steel. Where did I place my flint and steel? There we go. So it's time to head back to the overworld. And let's see what sort of nether spawn we get. Wow, it is dark. This is good though. Hey horsey, how are you? Because if I see a creeper, that would be a good thing. That would be a very good thing. Let's put it here where, for some reason, I built a mine. that wasn't fun. Do you know how long this takes to mine? And for me to get the 21 that I needed? Yes, this is taking up... I'm giving up. It's taking up too much time on the video. So, 1, 2, 3, 4... I'm pretty sure you can make them any old size these days, can't you? And there, and there. There we go. That should be one portal to the Nether. There we go. We can finally go. Let's put my obsidian up there. I'll pick that obsidian up at another time. Let's take this. We've got the staff of travelling. Hey! Hey, hey, hey! Hey! No, thank you. Not interested. Right, let's head to the Nether then, and see what's in store. So we need, I think it was, whoa, I have ended up at someone else's Nether portal. That is not good, because when I go home, I'm gonna probably end up in their base. But let's go see what they were looking at. Ooh. Okay, so they're using the mithril torches. Kind of cool. Wow, they've used a hammer to mine this place out, right? Let's go and have a look. I only need, 56 netherrack, and I need some blazes. I need to find a fortress, ideally. So I'll just keep going this way, and hopefully we may find something. But this is all totally mined out. It's not. That's coming up to a dead end, isn't it? I think it is. Ooh, 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 ooh. Some left for me. I'll take that. You never know when that will come in handy. That is quite a large vein. I do really miss magnet mode. Magnet mode made life so much easier. And vein miner. Makes life so much easier. Right, so this is going nowhere. So yeah, so we kind of need to find another fortress. So I think what I'll do is I will use this. Oh, that's not good. Okay, I can't use that down here. You friendly? I think what I'll do is I'll go on the hunt, try and find another fortress, and then we can find a few blazes, get a few blaze rods, and hopefully we can start making this blast furnace or whatever it's called. I'll see you shortly. Okay, I kind of got myself into a battle I wasn't quite ready for, but I think I need to put on these boots just for that extra bit of protection. Yeah, somebody's been here before. They've made their own place, so I'm assuming. Oh, hey, Mr. Blaze, come here. Please, I just need. Did somebody shoot at me then? I just need a blaze spawner. That would be, whoa, that would be nice. Just a little blaze spawner somewhere that I can. It blocked me off here, dude. Right, this is a blaze spawner. Chest, which I bet has been already looted. Oh, hello. I think I need like 56. So I'm going to need like plenty of blaze rods. Oh, there's one of those. I'm going to take these. I keep finding them. I'm going to take them because they may come in handy. My sword is definitely doing the job. There we go. Did I get another one? Yes, I did. Sweet. So I'm thinking if there is a blaze spawner, it's probably been taken. Is that? Oh, I'm not. Oh, do I? Oh, come on, let's go for it. There you go. Have some of that. Uh-oh. Yeah. Yes. You loved it. Sorry. I get a little bit carried away. So, blazes are down here. Let's grab some of this. Ooh, some Carbide there. I can't wait to get that. Be able to mine it, but I need to... I could probably make an obsidian pickaxe from Tinkers, because I haven't even got into Tinkers yet. And then we can go manualing, and I think we'll be well away with that. Right, how many are we doing? 48. That'll do for now. What I want to do is I just want to... Woo! I just want a few... Let's get my health up. Just want a few to be able to... Don't drop. You can't get me. You're gonna have to come for me, dude. Come on, come at me, bro. Okay, we're doing good, we're doing good. Oh, yeah, there we go. Let's block off the lava for a minute. What are they even firing at? I'm not even there. Right, see if we can get rid of that. Hide. Right, now we can get the kill. Just gotta wait for that light spot to disappear. There we go, it's disappearing. There we go, let's go in. This sword is actually pretty good. It really, really hits them hard. And it does it pretty quick as well. I like it. I like it a lot. Right, so probably all of this was a waste of time because it doesn't appear that this goes anywhere. No. Do you go? Nope. And that goes to a dead end. And this one's a dead end as well. So that was a complete waste of time. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run around here. I'm going to go killing blazes and things like that. And hopefully, eventually, I'm going to get enough blaze rods. Where is that coming from? Oh, it's him down there, right? Yeah, hopefully I'll get enough blaze rods to actually... Oh, come on, dude. Don't be like that. Maybe up there? I don't know. I don't know where to go to find a blaze spawner. I really want one. I'll see you in a bit. So, I've just arrived back at my base. There was an explosion. Because the bat box, I believe, couldn't handle the power from the insulated copper cable, and that is my fault. So now all of my machines have exploded and coincidentally no longer work. Therefore I'm no longer producing enough steel, and that's not a good thing. That is not a great thing, and I still didn't get enough netherrack. But yeah, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it there. If you did enjoy, then please do hit that like button down below. Also, if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe to daily Minecraft videos. Please do tell all your friends about the channel and do all that great stuff because it really does help out a lot. If you want to come and join the server, then head on over to Patreon. The link is in the description down below. And if you pledge the $5 tier or more, you will gain access to this server and a full craft server. So, yeah. There you go. But thanks very much for watching. I've been Stomp the Bean. This has been Age of Engineering. Good.